the Facebook algorithm has changed a lot. So if you're still running ads like you did in 2022 or 2023, your ads are not going to convert. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to run a successful ads in 2024 and beyond. Let's get into the video. The first thing you need to put in place is your ad creative. Every day, I get a lot of messages from business owners asking me to set up their ads targeting for them. And they're always very surprised when I tell them that does not work again in 2024. In 2024, the best way to target your audience is to use your ads creative. There are 3 things you need to note when setting up your ads creative. First, you need to make it feel like an organic post. Make your adverts fit into the Facebook feed. Don't make it look like it is an advert. Just make it feel like an organic post. Call out your audience with your ads creative. Create multiple ads with different hooks and different marketing messages. The next thing you need is a good offer. You need to understand that people don't just buy your product or services. Buy the offer behind those products and your services. You can have a good product or service that people want or need, but if your offer is weak, if your offer is not strong enough, your advert is not going to convert. So make sure you back up your product or service with an irresistible offer, an offer that people will feel so bad and so left out if they don't take that offer. So make sure you create an offer to back up whatever product or services you are selling. The next thing is your sales funnel. If your intention is to send traffic to your website, if you are selling any physical product or you are selling any digital product or digital service and you intend to use your website, you need to optimize your website and turn it into a sales funnel. When you are creating a sales funnel, consider these 3 things. Make sure the sales funnel or your website is fast enough. Make sure it has a good user interface and a good user experience. And make sure it is optimized for mobile traffic. Very, very important, because a lot of people just create a website that is not optimized for mobile traffic. So take note of that. The next thing you need is your ads budget. Facebook is like a bidding system. Advertisers pay Meta or Facebook money to show their products and services to people on the platform. So anybody who pays the most is prioritized over the other person. Take for instance, let's say we have Mr. A and Mr. B. They are selling the same product, but Mr. A pays 15,000 Naira daily to run ads, while Mr. B pays only 5,000 Naira daily to run ads. Facebook is going to prioritize Mr. A because he is spending more. So the recommended budget is between 5,000 to at least 10,000 Naira daily. Don't spend below that. The list is 5,000 to 10,000. Keep it within that range. If you want your advert to convert, you have to be willing to spend. I want you to look at your advert as an investment. It is not an expense. If you understand what you are doing, you are going to make a good returns on investment on your adverts. So please make sure you budget at least between 5,000 to 10,000 daily for your adverts. Let's get to the next point. Your social media profiles. This is your digital footprint. This is your digital real estate. So you have to take care of your social media profiles. Most people ignore their social media profiles while they are running ads. Most of the time, people are going to check out your social media profiles before they order whatever product or service you are selling. People are going to check it out. And what would they find out if they come on your profile? So you have to fix your bio, make it relatable to whatever you are selling. Create content about what you are selling. Use your social media account to build trust with your potential customers or clients. This is one aspect a lot of people ignore. So fix your social media profile, because this is like your digital real estate. It's your digital footprint. Personally, I don't buy from anybody who is not active on their social media profiles, no matter what you are selling. That is one of the fastest way to build trust, either with your existing customers or clients or your intending customers or clients. So make sure you fix your social media profile. The next thing you need to do to run a successful ad is to test your ad creative. One of the mistakes a lot of people make when running their advert is that they limit their ad creative to just one You must have multiple ad creatives for you to test and understand what works for your target audience. So make sure you test different ad creatives, different hooks, different formats, whether video or image, for your product or your service. And then when you find your winning ads, don't stop testing. Keep testing until you find your next winning ads. To wrap this up, I'm going to say this: you can do everything, you can do all this, and your ads will still flop. It happens. There's nothing you can do. You can do everything right, but your ads is still going to flop. So when this happens, please don't beat yourself up. Don't beat yourself up. Turn it off and try again. Understand that you cannot control the Facebook algorithm. You can only influence it. You cannot control the Facebook algorithm. You can only influence it. If you watch to this point, I have another video you need to watch. That is how to test your ads creative. I will leave the link to the video in the description of this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have any topic you want me to shoot a video on, also let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in the next one.